Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you another tea time snacks, that is mirchi bonda. It is very easy to make and too spicy. Let's get started. First you have to take a mirchi and rinse it well with the water and chop mirchi on four sides. Usually I like this bajji so much. In outside we have to pay 10 rupees for one bajji. I like spicy, that's why I didn't remove the seeds from the mirchi. If you don't like spicy, you can remove the seeds from the mirchi. When you go to buy a mirchi, please buy straight shape mirchi, otherwise it's difficult to make. Once you finish chopping, after that take a gram flour. I am here taking 3 tablespoons of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 pinch of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of chilli powder and 1 spoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. That cumin powder give the good flavor and good smell to your bhaji. Add little bit of water and mix it well, make a paste. This paste should be in semi-solid state, not too liquid or not too solid type. Now our paste is ready. Turn on the gas and take a pan. Heat the oil. Take a mirchi and dip it into a paste and rotate it. And put into warm oil. Fry it until it turns to red color. Once it turns to red color, take it off from the oil. Now our mirchi bhaji is ready. I hope you like this recipe and also I hope you will give this a try and let me know in the comment section how it's out for you. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Tata.